This week on Heavens Homestead, we spent more time inside the cabin than out. We are preparing to dry it in by adding new doors and windows. We are framing this area that you see here, which will be the bathroom, so that we could add the subflooring. And also we added a lot of wire so that we can have power. Yay! Lights! Anyways, as you can see here, this footage is the before, and throughout this video you'll see how much the cabin has changed on the inside. Exciting times here at Heavens Homestead. We are super excited to get this cabin done.
Get them all on the ground. Form for the concrete. What we did. These are boards that are stripped off the wall back here. So we removed the slaughter bench. He thought it was, I thought it was weird too.
Yeah.
Got rid of the slaughter bench. Got to rip all that off one day. So. And all the forms are going to be set up for concrete. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty clean in here. Clean as it's going to get. Trust me. There's metal down there. That's good. Because plastic's going down. Then we put a metal down there. And concrete. And this will be upright, because it'll be a pad. You step up on it and go build a ramp with concrete. We got all that cleaned out today, ready. Getting a lot of electricity ready, so him and I were schooled today over the phone about which wire goes to what. Fun stuff. This is a crowbar I found out here. I love it. It's heavy duty. I could really knock out a bear. Getting a lot of this electric ready. So I got to staple a couple of them. Yeah, like this one here will go against there, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I got a 20 amps going to go in here. DSCI switch. So you see the double wire. One of the wires goes up top, which is this one here, I believe. Goes up here. That one will power on all those gang boxes that are going to be up top. Gonna hang another one right there. A lot of 15 amps are going to be here. They'll be in the series, and not a lot of stuff will be on, but at the same time, so that way it doesn't pop the breaker all the time. 20 amp already run over to the kitchen area, so that way we got the kitchen ready for 20 amp service. We'll have 2 plugs in there, plus we'll have some 15 and so on and so forth. So I'll have a series of plugs just for the 15 amp all on this wall. Here. Gonna build this wall out right here. Gotta measure it out, get the dimensions and everything, and build her out. Stay tuned. Plus, once that's built out, then we'll carry on with the flooring.
Now you're trying to stab your foot.
But anyways, yeah. Alright, cut all the lumber, build the wall in there. I cut the lumber just a little bit, yeah. Got all that ready. John might be over with Brendan. Well, young man, I'm glad he's still working with him. Makes me happy.
So what are all those blue boxes? In case someone doesn't know.
Well, you grab 2 butter knives and reach in and see that plug in there, just to make sure it's working. Anyways, this here is this extra because I have to actually, you see these boards right here, right? These are the floor joists. They're 2x9s or 2x9 1/4. So basically, I have to build it out. Well, it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4 because that side's done. Once I build this wall, I already cut the wall pieces. We just gotta put it together. But this, I'll carry this on. I don't even need a freaking hanger. That's a hanger. That's a real hanger. So I cut one just like that. So basically the floor joists will be all the way over to the wall, but matching to where they're on the right side of these uprights. And this will be the bathroom when we're done. That'll be the kitchenette. So what I'm doing is once I build this wall, then we'll draw it out on a piece of paper what the kitchen will look like, you know, where the sink is going to be and all that stuff. So more than likely it'll be closer in right here for the sink, you know, so that way it's easier for somebody to wash their hands when they walk in. Plus this drain in the water is further away from the exterior wall. So that way you think like, oh wow, okay, this is cool. Black, you know, less freezing you have to worry about. But then again, water is gonna be traveling however I want to set it up once I get this wall and everything built here. So I got a lot of wire because I gotta hang up another box somewhere in here on this. So when we have a piece going across horizontally for the floor joist, there'll be a box here. I gotta put one more up there. But that's inside this section because I'm gonna build a wall there. Because then this area is closed off and totally airproof or whatever you want to call it.
What's going in this area again? Just to remind people?
Behind you, the cistern tank. And this wire here goes down to the other wellhead, or to the wellhead, and that tube goes down there to the 1-inch text. All the way to the wellhead, about 1,000 foot away. And this will censor the jet pump down there. It will tell the jet pump I need water in this tank. So we will cistern from the roof and all that stuff. But the cool thing is we'll be able to pull back up if we need it. Or worst comes to worst, hello, you need a little bit of water. Or can you route the river over to here because it's really high today, you know? That kind of stuff. So anyways, I put a sump pump. They run about 5,000 feet of hose. It suck the water from the river and filter it, make it pristine. Because why you see all these little boxes, they're going to be plugged. So it's enough to power the filtration system and the pump and the heat source inside here. Because we want this area to stay warm during winter for sure. And it's powering, it would be powering the heat tank that's outside. So that way everything's in here, controlled in here, and easier to mess with. It's just going to be a wiring nightmare when I'm done. But I'll know where it all goes. I'll have a little label.
Throughout the week, we had many deliveries and even one unwanted guest. He is cute, though.
So with all the rain that's being expected, I got my first rain barrel up. I've been waiting on it. So the cool thing is, it's got a valve. It comes with a valve. It's all plastic. But this is your overflow. So if it's too much, it fills out, flows out right there. I got it sitting up here. That way it makes it easier to get some water and run it. So, and run my tractor over here and put it in the bucket if I need to put some in the bucket. Other than that, yeah. I could actually fasten that to the side of a building, strap it to the building, and route the water from a gutter once we get the gutters and all that good jazz. Anything in there? Anything in there? What was in there must have evaporated.
Yep. Hasn't rained that much.
Oh, there was some in it, so. Yeah, there it is. The whole drop or two. Anyways.
Oh yeah, you're right. A whole drop or two.
So yeah, it does work. See, there's one of the most necessary items: hot water. Remember, I put that thing in. It was really good. That mobile home out there in West Virginia when I remodeled. So that's on demand. It's electric. So it barely pulls 120 amp. So it pulls, I think, somewhere around 90 amps at 110 degrees. So you got the whole setup for that there. Oh, little dude. Well, hi. What's your name? Is it Ratatouille? Huh? What is all that? You gotta go, man. I told you to go find a new home, dude. Here, remote control. There. And turn it on. You change all kinds of settings to it. Anyways, got another one on that pole above the power box. You can see it barely right up there. So that way it lights up that area. It's up about 18 foot away.
What are you doing?
Don't disturb this crime scene. Back up 50 feet or yards. I don't know, miles. I don't care, whatever it is. You have a bullet lodged into the wood here. It was shot in. Lining it up now. Doing ballistics. Never had a target practice on the old house itself. Okay. Come on in, take a look. This is a crime scene. Wow. So it's 3/4 inch keys in here, or shell, or bullet. So let's pull her out. Oh wow. Hollow point? Yeah, hollow point. Wow, cool. Nice crime scene. Just getting it all ready. And that way I know when I need a frame. So I'll frame like this side. Because in the top, I'll just reuse all the stuff that came out of here.
This week we had many new friends come out and help us with various projects within the cabin. We are so appreciative to anyone who comes and helps us, and also our viewers like you. Thanks for watching.
There's the inside. I'm waiting on the uppers. Once we get those, you see where I got a frame so it all gets sealed off. But got 4 in today. Looking good. All right. See this neutral? Well, some idiot cut it too short. I won't name his name, you know. So this is actually a splice kit for a 4/0 wire. All the way down to 2/0, I think up to 4/0. So, but this is pretty cool. I put my finger in there, just test it. And it's a gel. It's called a Raychem gel. And once I get the everything all together, I just snap it shut. So once I get the other piece on there, put it halfway in, snap it shut. The other thing is we use this stuff called shrink wrap. So I'll put that on top of it. You know what else will go on top of it? Old pretty yellow tape. So that way you make it waterproof, because you don't want to have any kind of problems later on down the line. So anyways, and that's probably how I'll put it on. But we have the generator and a heat gun and iced tea. So I'll go over there, get it ready so I can get the pole in and all that good jazz, get this wire in there. This part will be inside the ground, so it's a splice on a mistake. And I'm not going to name his name, called Jimmy. Anyways, stay tuned. Well, got the nasty part out of the way. Put this in the building. But we got this done here. So that's all good to go. All I gotta do now is have somebody that knows what they're doing on Monday morning. He's gonna come out and connect that. Connect the main panel inside the cabin. So life is much peachier that way, because I don't know where all them leads go to. That's not my thing, sorry to say. I mean, I have an idea, but you know, the ideas sometimes shock you, you know, and I don't want to do that shocking routine, because this might burn. Bad enough I smashed my darn finger. So these 2 black leads will be the hots. We go there and there. That says N for neutral, I'm thinking. And I don't know what that one is. So yeah. Then there's this box bounding screw. Like I know where that goes. So anyways, I'm gonna have these in here for the electrician, ready to go. From there, and we can just be happy. So Monday morning he'll be here. There's number 1, number 2, new door, window number 3.